Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into today's video, make sure you go down and subscribe, like the video, comment, and be sure to share it. Alright, so I am doing a this or that question, or this or that tag questions, so that way you can kind of get to know me a little bit better. I already did the get to know me tag, but these questions might help you get to know me a little bit better, and maybe you can ask some more questions down below if you're curious. Okay, first question, dog or cat? Dog. I would definitely prefer dogs. Netflix or YouTube? Netflix. I watch Netflix all day. It's usually Netflix or Hulu. Also have Disney Plus, all that, so definitely that. Phone call or text? Definitely text. I don't like being stuck on the phone with people. It's much easier to start ignoring someone if we're texting, so text. Cardio or weights? I'd rather not have to do either, but if I'm going to do any, it'd be cardio. Ice cream cone or snow cone? Ice cream cone. Snow cones are just flavored ice. I'm allergic to ice cream, or I'm lactose intolerant, so I wouldn't get an ice cream cone anyway, but if I had to choose one or the other, it'd be ice cream cone. Music or podcasts? Definitely music. iOS or Android, so iPhone or Android. I'm definitely an Android person. I've always had an Android, never had an iPhone, don't intend to ever get an iPhone. Cake or pie? I like cheesecake. That's kind of like a cake pie, so I'm a cake pie person. Cheesecake.
I love cheesecake. I love cheesecake at nighttime, real late at night. Cheesecake could do, man. Top it out before you go to sleep.
Big party or small gathering? Small gathering for sure, because I'm an introvert, and by small gathering I usually mean by myself. New clothes or new phone? New clothes for sure. I don't need a new phone. No one ever calls my phone anyway. Rich friend or loyal friend?
Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty.
Loyal friend. Can you sing or can you not? I cannot. That wasn't a question, but I'm throwing that out there because I just did that. Football or basketball? Definitely football. But I did play basketball in high school, but I prefer football. Work hard or play hard? Definitely rather work hard. Nice car or nice home interior? Nice home interior, since that's where I spend most of my time. What's worse, laundry or dishes? Dishes. I'm just thinking, just dishes touching like plates after someone else has eaten off of it and stuff and having to clean it is gross. Jogging or hiking? I guess I'd rather jog because I can do that on a treadmill. I don't have to leave the house to do that. I don't like hiking. You have to do that outside unless you put your treadmill on an incline, but definitely jogging. Bath or shower? I prefer showers. I do like to take a bath every once in a while and, you know, use a bath bomb or something, but I'm more of a shower person. Glasses or contacts? Actually, I'm supposed to wear glasses, but I prefer to wear my contacts, so I'm wearing contacts, so I choose contacts. Hamburger or taco? You should know this already from my last get to know me tag. Tacos. Online shopping or shopping in store? Shopping, period. I don't care where it's at. Email or letter? It depends on who it's from. If it's not a guy or a man and he's not cute, I would rather no contact at all, but if I'm gonna get something, I'd rather it be a letter, a handwritten letter from a man. Otherwise, I don't feel like you have any reason to be trying to email me or write me in the first place. Passenger or driver? Definitely, I'd rather be the driver. Unless I'm going on a date, then I want to be the passenger. But if you don't know how to drive, I'm gonna drive myself. You can drive yourself. Most important in a partner? Intelligent or funny? Intelligent. Blue or red? Blue. Money or free time? Money or free time? Money.
Hello, I like money.
At a movie, candy or popcorn? Candy. I like the sour gummy worms. Toilet paper, over or under? Over.
What is that?
Oh wow, I am disgusted.
It is a big pet peeve if I see the toilet paper going under. I will fix it. Cups in the cupboard, right side up or upside down? I like them to be right side up. I don't like the rim of the cup touching the bottom of the cabinet. Pancake or waffle? Waffle, but they have to be blueberry waffles. Coke or Pepsi? Pepsi. Pepsi is also Mountain Dew. Okay. Train or plane? Plane. I don't think have I been on a train? I might have been on a train, but I don't think so. Okay, iced coffee or hot coffee? Definitely iced coffee. I don't like hot drinks. Save or spend? Both. I like to save and then spend it. Coffee or tea? Coffee. TV or book? It used to be book, but like I said, I'm kind of getting sick of reading, so I'm more into TV now. Horror movie or comedy movie? It depends on what kind of comedy. I don't like stupid funny, but I don't know. I guess I'll say comedy movie because I also don't like to be scared. City or countryside? Countryside. Soup or a sandwich? I don't really like either, but if I had to have one, I'd get a sandwich. Every once in a while I do eat at Subway or I'll make a sandwich, but I'm just very particular. I'm very picky. So, card game or board game? I like card games. I don't know how to play too many, but I definitely like to play with cards. Beer or wine? Not much of a drinker, but the wine I've had tastes like beer. I don't like either. Maybe if I had a wine that tasted like juice, I'd be wine. I'm just gonna say wine because I know definitely for sure I've had a sip of beer and I definitely did not like it. Working alone or working in a team? Working alone. Dine in or delivery? Delivery. Uber Eats and DoorDash can attest to that. Motorcycle or bicycle? Neither. When sleeping? Fan or no fan? No fan. I like to be hot. Okay. And then I just have 2 more questions. So, TV shows or movies? I prefer movies. And last question, ninjas or pirates? Ninjas. Definitely ninjas. I grew up watching kung fu karate movies, so I'm gonna say ninjas. And I guess the favorite ninja movie I can think of right now would be a Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon. That's the only one I can think of at this moment. There was another one I recently watched. I think it's The Great Wall or something like that. But that's the end of this or that tag. Hopefully you guys know me a little bit better. If you have any questions you want to ask, just don't hesitate. Go ahead and add your comment or your question down below. Again, share this video. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and always leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.